Bro, you know what really bugs me?
What?
My shower head, bro.
Why is that?
Man, it just doesn't treat me right.
Yeah, bro. It's filtered body spray, purifies my water, and rejuvenates my skin in the bathtub.
Really, bro? Mind if I take a look at it?
Yeah, bro. You want to see it? Yeah, bro. Here it is.
Nice.
Introducing the Ionic Spa Shower Head. This brand new shower head is a must-have in every single bathroom. It's small, light, and it's super easy to install. The shower head comes in 3 settings: rainfall, jetting, and massage. And guess what? It's only $10.99. Listen to this happy customer review this wonderful product.
Ever since I purchased the Ionic Spa, my hair has never looked better. The perfect water pressure in this, the filtration system, it just beautiful. And I'll never use another shower head in my life. And I recommend it to all who listen.
So, if you love your hair and want to be hip with the teens, go buy the Ionic Shower Head. You will not regret it, and have a great day.